So, my last reason is the fact that it is the Word of God. I think that's the most important, particularly if you're somebody that desires to know God and to develop your relationship with Him. It is His Word. He has written, he encouraged people, many people in time past that wrote down the Bible. Some of them, he specifically told them to record this, which is a way of making his interaction with them, the commandment he has given, to become permanent, so that it can be passed down generations, so that it's reached people like us, generations across nations. That's why we have the Bible. We have a representation in there, the examples of how he related with people in time past, and we can learn from that. Not only that, through his interaction, we can begin to glean about the nature of God, which means that we're getting to know him more. Is that not a good enough reason to read? And besides, we have things in the Bible that we have been told expressly with regards to how we should live our lives. So we have commandments that the Lord has given. And if you're somebody that wants to, develop and also to live according to the way the Lord expects you to do, then you should engage in reading the Bible. So, a range of reasons why we should read the Bible. I think this last one is the most important, which is getting to know God more. Not only that, when you read the Bible, a lot of things, and you become familiar with it, a lot of things become obvious to you. The plan and the purposes of God begin to unfold. When we talk about how this world is going, how is it going to end? What are the things coming? Why are things like this? A lot of those answers you will find in the Word of God. So I encourage you today to make sure that you spend time in reading the scriptures. Somebody that maybe have never really read the Bible, or you're not committed to doing so, can you give me which of the points I've said you think most resonate with you and will give you a reason for reading the Bible? So, if you have found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on your notification button so you can receive an alert when a new video is being made. So thank you for watching, and if you want to see more content about our lifestyle, or I am making series on the life of Job, on the book of Job, I'll put a link to that here, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.